In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a cross-dissolve transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the effect, apply it cleanly between two shots, adjust its timing, and fine-tune how it behaves so your edits feel smooth and intentional. First, make sure you can see the Effects panel. Go to the top menu, open Window, and choose Effects. This tells Premiere to show the Effects panel if it isn't already visible, which is where all your transitions and effects live. Keep your playhead near the cut you're working on so you can preview changes quickly. Inside the Effects panel, navigate through the folders to find the Cross Dissolve. Open Video Transitions, then Dissolve, and you'll see Cross Dissolve in that list. Cross Dissolve is one of the most commonly used transitions because it gently fades one clip out while the next clip fades in, creating a smooth, cinematic blend. It's perfect for scene changes, time passages, or softening a hard cut. Now, apply the transition, click and drag Cross Dissolve directly onto the cut between the two clips in your timeline. You should see the transition appear as a small overlay at the edit point. If there's a gap between clips, the dissolve won't have anywhere to blend, so make sure the clips touch. If you see any warning icons, it often means one or both clips don't have enough extra frames at the ends, so Premiere is limiting the dissolve length. That's normal. Just work with the available handles. Next, adjust the duration so the transition feels right for your footage. Hover over the edges of the transition in the timeline until your cursor changes. Then click and drag to make it longer for a slower, more gradual blend, or shorter for a quick, subtle fade. As you adjust, play back a few seconds before and after the cut to judge how the timing supports the emotion and pacing of your edit. Finally, fine-tune the behavior of the dissolve with alignment. Right-click the transition and choose Set Transition Alignment. You'll see options for Center at Cut, Start at Cut, and End at Cut. Center at Cut splits the dissolve evenly over both clips, which is a great default. Start at Cut begins the dissolve exactly at the edit, leaning the fade into the second clip. End at Cut completes the dissolve right at the edit, leaning the fade into the first clip. Use the option that best serves your storytelling and the rhythm of the scene. Preview your result, adjust if needed, and you're done. That's how you confidently add and customize a cross dissolve in Premiere Pro.